All right, let's look into products liability now. All right, for products liability, this is, who is liable for a product. All right, let's talk about this for a minute. First off, you have to look at who's in privity of contract. Privity of contract is the relationship between the contracting parties. Me, the seller, and you, the buyer. Okay? Now, certain warranties are required to meet certain requirements. All right? They have to be there for the safety of the consumer. Now, look at this. Effect of reprocessing by the distributor. A manufacturer is not liable for the ultimate consumer for breach of warranty or negligence if the retailer does not complete the additional processing. Cooked food. Alright, so Claxton Chicken sells chicken to a restaurant. The restaurant fails to cook the chicken properly. Who do you sue? You sue the restaurant. You don't sue Claxton Chicken. Alright? It's not Claxton Chicken's fault that the chicken was undercooked. Excuse me. Now, the identity of parties. Third persons. There's no provision in the UCC for employees or strangers. Okay? Some states have extended recovery in areas to remedy this. Alright? So if someone else is hurt as a result of you eating undercooked food, there's no provision for that. However, statutes may come in and create another tort or something else that would protect them. Now, the manufacturer of a component part may be sued if the component part was the defect in the final product. So if someone creates, a part to a car, sells it to GM, and GM then puts it together, and that product is what actually fails, then guess what? The party that made that product are going to be liable. Okay? Nature and cause of harm. Law is more concerned with personal injury as opposed to economic injury. So what this means is that, if you are physically hurt, that's what they're more interested in products liability. Okay? Not your economic harm, but your physical hurt. That's why, for cars, they always have recalls. Recalls are in an effort to prevent the consumer from being hurt. So that is why they're more concerned with people as opposed to economic